What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for PayPal holdings with the ticker symbol PYPL. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So on this channel, we only look at the charts because the charts are our reality and it keeps our emotions in check. So let's take a look at what happened for PayPal in the past couple of days. So it looks like it was working its way up to the low 70s, got rejected at the 68, sold off strongly, but is still finding support right around the low 60s. So is this still going to continue higher? Well, let's look for a possible target. All of this is basically one large leg up, and then price had a two-legged correction, marks the center of the pattern for another large leg up. So you can see that the bears failed to reach their target at the $55 level because there was strong support stopping price from reaching it. So we can go and mark that right now. And then price resumed the uptrend, and you can see that the next target that the bulls was trying to reach was right over here at the 70.43 level. So price stopped right at the 68.14. So I think we'll probably still see another attempt up by the bulls. Usually you'll see a couple attempts to reach a target unless it's strong buying or selling. So in this case, you can see that this was one leg down. Price pulled back. This was the first attempt to reach the measurement target that failed, and then immediately price reversed to the upside. So in this case, we have one leg up, a pullback, first attempt, and this first attempt could just fail immediately, just like how in this case right here, the bulls took over once the bears failed on their first attempt. So the bears can take over if the bulls fail on their first attempt. So we'll see if they can do that. As of right now, we still have this bullish trend line in play. So you can see that it's kind of supporting price right about there, and price is still kind of respecting it. So this, if this trend line breaks, most likely we're going to be coming back down to retest the 57.29 and possibly even lower. But as right now, this is still looking okay for the bulls because we can still see another attempt up to reach that measurement target at the low 70s. So that's how I'm looking at PayPal in the short term. Short term is looking like price can still move up higher. But again, if this trend line breaks, that's basically the last thing before price continues to trend down lower towards the low to mid 50s, possibly even lower from there. We do have earnings report coming out soon, sometime in early February as well. So that's what I see for PayPal on the daily chart. Let's take a look at the weekly. So on the weekly chart, you can see that price is still trending below this EMA. It's trying to get back above it and stay above it. So we can draw a trend line or channel on this price action. So we can just draw a channel to simplify things. So you can see that if price is still inside this channel, it still wants to continue trend down lower. But in this case, price could not reach the opposite side of the channel, which can lead to a breakout on the opposite side, which we did get. So if price comes up short on this side, we can see a breakout on this side, which did occur. Price is getting above the EMA. It's starting to reverse. So before price was kind of getting rejected from the EMA. Now the EMA is kind of getting flat, and now it's starting to point up. So price could be in a reversal state, at least maybe temporarily. So as right now, I'm still looking for higher prices. It still looks like the bulls can make another large leg up to the low 70s. That's where that breakout was back over here. So there's still a good chance to reach it. But again, nothing's guaranteed in the market. If price just starts selling off strongly, then you have to go with that. So in this case, if price breaks that trend line on the daily chart, like I mentioned, then there's a good chance that this downtrend is not over and price may come back down to this prior low at the $50 level. So we'll see if the bulls can make another attempt up. Again, that second attempt could just be small too. It could just go halfway and then also collapse back down. So depending on how strong the bulls are, will let us know if they reach it. If they can't reach it, that tells us the bulls are not that strong, and then the downtrend will probably continue lower. So this is all I have for PayPal on the daily and weekly charts. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.